Right, hello everybody. I'm at the press. I'll give the upper and lower suspension arms, front and rear, front a clean up and a quick coat of paint, and I'm going to put the new bushes in. So there's the new bushes. They're the same on the both sides. On the lower one, no, on the upper one. On the lower one they're slightly different sizes, but anyway, this is what I do. A bit of copy slip or something just round the, just to give it a easier time of it. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a smear on both of them. Makes life a bit easier. They only really grip on the one side. They don't really grip on both sides. So it's stepped, so it doesn't need to be ridiculously done. Right, there then. So got the big socket just to go over there to help press it in, and then I always use something that will fit in between there, the right size, so that these don't squish. It's alright that side because they've got the other side, but these have a tendency to squish if you're not careful, so we'll put that in like that. Bit of something on top, then we'll bring it down. Excuse the noise and the compressor if it comes on. Right, just get that to there, and then we'll put that in so that it doesn't squidge it, and then it goes. Done. See, that's gone tight now. If that was not in there, that would have squished. Come on, Jack, go up. That's enough. There we go. One in. We'll do the same again. These I get all this stuff from NASCAR approved. So they'll probably still be shit. I just get them from Rock Auto. Honest to God, they are so good and so quick at delivery. It's incredible, really. They're usually faster than anything I order from the UK. Honestly, this lot came. I think I put my main order in. It was about midnight on the Friday night, and I had the first boxes arrive on the following Tuesday dinner time. So shows how quick they are. But there you go. Anyway, you're not going to sit and watch me put all these in, so I'll see you a bit later. Cheers for now. Right, hello again everybody. Right, quick update. Got the engine back. Lovely jubbly. Nice crosshatch pattern on there. Beautiful. Right, I've just took all the old core plugs out. Bit rusty and yucky in places. Bit of a fight to get them out, but got a new set. So I'm going to flush all the water galleries out because they're a bit mucky. So I'll do that. There's my new pistons and rings. Nice pistons. So, right, I'll get on with that. Get it all flushed out, cleaned off, and I can't make up my mind whether to paint the engine or not. Either red or black. I'll see what I can be bothered to do. You won't see a lot of it once everything's on, so because it's such a tiny little engine. Right, cheers for now. I'll be back later. Right, hello everyone. Right, I put all the new bushes in. You saw me do that. So I'll put it all back together. Oh dear me, I knew that that wouldn't work on that shit piece of thing, that CV boot, so I've got to redo that again. I'll take all that off again. Bugger. Anyway, I've just been finished cleaning all the underneath and wax oiling it all to hell. So we got nice new wax oil under. Oh look, oh, it's missed a bit. You're looking. Oh, I missed a bit here as well. Never mind. You're looking, and you still miss a bit. Never mind. So right, I've got to take all that off again. I think I've got a great big. Then with some cheap stainless steel clips. I didn't think they were going to work, but anyway, not to worry. I've got to take that wheel off and everything as well, because I noticed when I put it all back together, you can't really see it very well. So there's a bleed nipple on top of there, and there's a bleed nipple on that one, but unfortunately it's extremely close to everything, so I think I'll take that off and blank it off. You don't really need it, so it comes with blanking plugs. Right, anyway, that's a bit more. We'll see on the next one. I've done the other thing is I've done the rear new bearings and bushes, so that's all done. The diff is all back together with new oil in it and everything, so that's all ready to go. Right, a bit more. See you a bit later. Cheers. Alright, hello again. Right, engine's all back together. I didn't show you putting the engine back together, you've seen that before. Nothing special. So that's all back together. Got the flywheel. I'm going to take the engine down and drop it in the chassis. The chassis is all done, as much as put all the brakes and everything on. All the front suspension's done. Shock absorbers are in. So I've got to tension the the torsion springs. Fuel tank's in, springs are on, brake lines are on. I've got to make the other brake lines for yet. Those tubes are back in for the fuel lines. So I might as well go ahead and drop the engine back in and get it out of my blooming shed. So, right, gearbox, transfer case, everything. Right, there we go. Onwards and upwards. Cheers for now.